Finally, this gasket came. This is the head gasket for the Kohler 17.5 horsepower CV17. I ordered it from e-replacement parts, which I've ordered in the past, and paid extra for faster shipping. And for the last 4 days, it's been sitting on a FedEx truck in Buffalo, just sitting there. I've called, can't really call because, you know, COVID, and it's all recordings, and it's all no one to help you. So it finally came today after saying every day this week it was going to be delivered. So we're going to put this in. Things really are a mess here. Got a lot going on. We've got a ATV that we're trying to fix as well. And I've already cleaned these, but here are the two new hydraulic lifters. I took these things apart and they were both full of water, believe it or not. And the ring that was on the paper towel, it wasn't oil, it was water. I don't know how water got in here unless they decided to clean it, but long story short, they're clean, they're ready to go, and I'm gonna go with the new ones that I bought. And then I did clean these, and I cleaned the existing ones that were knocking, so we're gonna get these oiled up, lubed up, and back in the machine. I'm gonna put the spark plug on. We're gonna turn it over. I'm gonna see if this fires up. All right, let's go with full choke. I also adjusted the magneto because it was squeaking, and the magneto on the flywheel, the magnet, was rubbing against the magneto. So I've pulled it away about a business card. So we're full choke. Fingers crossed, we'll see. Ooh, fall is in the air. Whew. Ticking. Not as bad as it was. We weren't smoking before, so I think it's because there's oil on the exhaust. There's still, with new lifters, this is a tick, so I want to run this and let those pressurize, get oil in them, and then we'll see if it goes away. So I noticed a little surge, and it wasn't doing that before. And sure enough, I forgot to put on the carburetor gasket. So I'm missing this little gasket here, which is probably causing me to have that issue. Let's take off the breather. Yeah, so this needs to go right on there. And that should cure that problem. Not really smoking as much anymore, so that must have been just all within the... And it's not ticking as bad, but I still gotta let it run. It is getting quieter. There you go. That's how it should sound. So those lifters have now pumped up and are full of oil. These lifters were in better shape. These are the ones I had some water in them, cleaned them all out, but I did not fill them with oil. I wanted them to pump themselves up. That has now happened. I'm running full synthetic oil in here. I'm gonna let this cool down. I'm gonna run a little bit, let it cool down, and then see if they don't maintain oil within them and then continue to run like this. So it's very possible that this engine suffers from the same lack of oil starvation that my other one did. My other one burned oil, however, with a lifter tick. This one is not, but that could very well be. It starts better now that I move that magnet away. I tell you, it's a smooth running engine. I do like these. They purr. They got a lot of power too. All right, let's let this cool down and we'll come back and see what happens. It's the next morning and it's cold. Very cold. Let's see what we got here. 58. I don't know if you can see that. Muffler's 56, and the head is, it's kind of strange, 57. That's 57. So you get it, it's cold. 58. Well, it's good and cold, so let's see if it's still knocking. How about that? It worked. It definitely worked. No ticking. Good news, it's fixed. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching this video. Thanks for stopping by and checking out our little project here in the garage. We're going to cut with this thing maybe later this week if it doesn't rain, and we'll get ready to put this thing up for sale. Thanks everybody for coming on by, and we'll see everyone in the next video.